Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Tabib and today I'm gonna show you how to remove these two people from this photo in Photoshop. First, you should unlock this photo with this button. Then click on Object Selection tool and drag an area around our object. And we may also want to make some adjustment to our selection. If you want to subtract from selection, just simply hold the Alt and drag the area you want to subtract. For more adjustment, maybe we want to use Quick Selection tool. So now we are done with the selection. Now we right click on our selection and click on layer via copy, so we have our cutout in a separate layer. Now we start the selection for the woman. In this situation, maybe we want to use the lasso mode to deselect or select more area we want. Now we are done with the woman selection, and now right click on it and hit the layer via copy to have our cutout in a separate layer. Now, with our cutout selected, select the picture layer we have, and in the edit menu, hit the content ever fill and set the mode to auto and then click OK. It made a simple starting point to our remaking the missing area. We have a good starting point. Now we should make some adjustment to it by Fill Brush tool, Patch tool and Clone tool. We could also remove our shadows with the Patch tool as well. Also, we could make the shadow area a little brighter with the Dodge tool. Now we finished the healing process, and as you could see, this is the before, this is the after. Very awesome. Of course, we want some exportation for our files, So just simply go to Files, Export As. I personally prefer the JPEG files, and click Export. Browse the file you want to save as and simply export whatever you want. And if you want to export some transparent photo, just make sure you export it as a PNG file format. And this is it for today's video. I wish you like it. If you like, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you all. Goodbye.